Good medical morning. This is Watson, and today we're going to talk about cat pimples. That can't be right. Cat pimples? I didn't even know that was a thing. Alright, whatever, let's do it. Apparently, cat acne is the common name for an idiopathic disorder, which is histologically known as follicular keratosis. It's very common in cats and can occur at any age and any breed. Stick around as the pops get better as the video continues. Also, click the subscribe button and the notification bell for updates if you enjoy our videos.
There we go. And all you need to do is just pull those out, with your nail. I just kind of lightly scratch them out.
Cat acne, or feline acne, is a cosmetic disease, but it usually requires lifelong, on-again, off-again, symptomatic treatment to keep it under control. Most of the time, there are just asymptomatic comedones or blackheads on the chin, lower lip, and sometimes on the upper lip. There's the possibility that pustules will form if a secondary infection is present. In very severe cases, the skin around the chin can become very thick and swollen, and even scarred from repeated infections and treatments. Mild cases of feline acne can be treated with human acne pads or medicated shampoos. If the area is infected, then the treatment involves systemic antibiotics for 2 to 6 weeks. Please leave comments below. Do you have a cat? Has your cat ever had acne? And how did you treat it? As we wrap it up, here are some clips of my cats, which I don't believe have ever had acne before. Hey Bear, have you ever had acne before? No? I didn't think so. But thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can join us next time. Adios.
Snooki shares the secrets to her 50-pound weight loss.
Hey everyone, this is Snooki, and I wanted to give a shout out to all the crew at The Energy. I wanted to just tell you guys to keep losing all the weight. You're doing amazing, and congrats on hitting your goals. Yes, queens. So I lost a lot of weight too, thank Christ. So I know how hard it is to lose the weight and stay in shape. I get it, guys. So keep up the good work. You guys are doing great. Good job.